Hey everyone, and welcome. Today's just going to be a short little video on how to install Active Directory on your Windows 10 machine. And for that, we're just going to need a little tool called Remote Server Administration Tools for Windows 10, or RSAT. I will leave a link in the video description. And to install RSAT, you do have some system requirements. You do need a version of Windows 10 Pro, Enterprise, or Education. Well, once you have that, you can definitely go ahead and download it. If you don't know what version of Windows 10 you have, you can go down to the Start, right click, and hit System. You're just going to scroll down, and then you'll see an Edition. This is going to be your Windows 10 edition, so mine's Windows 10 Pro, so I can install it. And then you're just going to want to take note of your version, and mine is 1809. So we're going to go and we're going to select our language, which is English here. And here's where you're going to want to know what version of Windows you have. So I have 1809. There isn't an 1809 out yet, but we're going to go ahead and download the 1803 64-bit. So we'll check that. We'll hit next and wait for it to download. Once that's finished, we'll just go ahead and click on it and hit open. This is going to check for the Windows update that is required for RSAT. So we'll just hit yes. And then I accept. And I will speed through this update and get back to you when it's finished. Alright, now that it's finished, we'll just hit close here. Then we can just go down here, we'll click on start, scroll all the way down to the bottom, find Windows System, scroll down that, we'll hit Windows Administrative Tools. And here you can see we have our Active Directory applications here. We want Active Directory users and group and computers. It's just saying that I don't actually have a domain to connect to because my computer isn't connected to a domain. But if your computer is, then this is where you will find everything that you need. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching and have a great day.